Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming my simple makeup routine. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't have any kind of form of experience with makeup. It's just test and practice. So if you guys have any suggestion or any comments, comment below, or anything I can do to better my makeup skills, comment below. Alright, first of all, I'm going to be using all Sephora, mostly Sephora products. So this is the best skin ever. I don't know if you can see. I love this. And this is in shade 38P. I think I can go lower because it's a little darker for my skin, but this is what I have. And I plan to buy a lighter shade soon. And I'm going to be using this one as well. This is also the best skin ever. This is like a very nice, this is also 38P. And I think, like I said, I can use a shade lower than this. I actually love this. This is like my best one. Actually, I should have used this instead of the concealer. This is a foundation. Alright, I am going to be using my makeup foam, or whatever they call it. Okay, see how it blends. I think this is actually my color, but I usually like to get a shade lighter so I can do like under my eye and all that good stuff, but this is actually not bad. Okay, it blends well. Can you see that? I've been using makeup. I've used MAC, but I think since I found out Sephora product 2 months ago, it's been life-changing, and I have fallen in love with this. Let's look at how this blends into my skin. Look, this is like magic. So this is that. And next I am going to be using LA Girl. Can you believe I used to get this for $1.99 a few years ago. Now this costs $4.99, guys. So this is a lighter shade. I just put this under my eye just to pop, whatever you guys call it, I don't know. So I'm gonna be doing my brows next. I'm not a professional, like I said. I'm gonna pause this video and do it and come back. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna be using, this right here is the truth, guys. This is life-changing. So this is a Sephora product as well, and it's called Matte Powder Foundation, and this is in 38P as well. I think I could go a little, I think this, no, I can't go lighter on this. This is like my shade, but if you want to use it for like what is it called, that setting powder, you can get a lighter shade. So I'm going to be using that with my little, I don't know what this is, guys. I'm not a professional. With the powder foam, just gonna dab. I'm gonna dab here. See, guys, just look at this. If you have an oily face, this is life-changing for you guys. Just have this in your bag when you do your makeup. Have it in your bag so that when you're sweaty, you can just use it and just, dab on your face. That's that. See that? See that? A little bit under. See how smooth this is, guys. is like the best. You can already see the difference. Okay. Alright guys, so that's that. Alright, so next thing I'm going to be using is this Sephora Microsmooth Captivate. It has like bronzer, I guess, some before the video cut off, I'm going to be using this is Microsmooth Captivate. So it's, I think it's like a blush or bronzer, not bronzer, what is it, that thing you put that shines? Like I said, I don't know all those words, but I think I'm doing good. So I'm going to be using that. I'll be doing a little bit of whatever it's called, contouring on my nose here, just to give it a, you know, kind of like contour, but not really like contour. What are you looking for? Can I help you? No. Okay. See that? You can see that? Okay. So that's this. I'm using this dark shade over here. Okay, I'm going to be using this, the shiny one over here. Put it on the nose. Guys, don't abuse me. I'm not a professional, but I think I'm trying. See that? That's actually not bad.
Me next.
Okay, that's that. Also, I'm going to be using the same one. No, I'm not using the same one. I'm going to be using something else for my cheeks. Just a bronzer, actually. This is a bronzer, and this is matte bronzer in 05 Mykonos. So I just usually use that like for my cheeks, you know, just to define it. Brother, go. Just put that all over my neck. See that? Already blending. Alright. Can you see that? Okay. Put a little bit more. Okay. Alright, and the next thing I am going to be doing is also going to be using the same palette, just for like the, what is it called? What do you have on your cheeks? Blush and the shiny one. What is it called?
Highlighter.
Highlighter, right? So I'm going to be using the pink blush. We're doing that over here.
Hey, I'm the expert.
See that? I'm just gonna go around in circles.
Oh wow! You like mommy's makeup?
It's looking good.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be using that. What do you call it? The cheeks one? What do you call it? This
Highlighter.
one. Highlighter. I'm gonna be using this fan. Oh my god.
Oh wow. This is so.
See that? Just see the shine. Okay. Alright, next thing I am going to be doing is, actually I need to put eyeshadow, a little bit of eyeshadow. It's not gonna be I'm gonna be using this. I don't even know where I got this from, but yeah, it's really nice. It's gonna be, I'm not gonna be doing anything too much, just to not have a plain face. See that? Can you move? Mr. Man. So, ooh, that pops. That's poppy. Guys. That is. Oh no, that's popping. That's. Okay, that's face. Oh man. Alright, so I forgot. I'm gonna be using some of this setting. Oh shoot. The setting powder. I got this from the beauty supply store, not dollar store. Oh my god, just to set it. I'm not baking, I'm just gonna dab it. I don't know if I should have done that before putting my highlighter and my blush. Actually, I think I should have done that before that, but I can always, you know, reapply it again. See that? Let's see how it gives you that. Okay, so that's that. Then I reapply my highlighter, my blush again. Just a little bit of the highlighter.
This thing is magic.
Okay, that's looking nice, guys. And then I'm gonna do my eye pencil.
Eyeliner.
Eye pencil. Because I'm doing this.
I watch makeup videos.
Oh, okay, Atiba. Guys, I think I'm actually not. I'm getting better.
Yeah. My turn.
Madam, move, please. Okay, brother, and go.
I don't think I can do that.
Okay. Alright. So, look at that. Wait, am I done? Oh, I'm going to be doing my lips. I'm going to be using this. I don't know. I think I got it from the beauty supply store. It's mulberry cream color.
I used it. What type of fake smiles?
Do I know for you? Okay. So,
Ryan, be quiet.
and I'm going to be using this. I think this is the Harry Beauty. I don't know. I think a friend gave this to me.
Let me use some. Thank you. That's perfect. Let me try. Ryan, be quiet.
Guys, what do you think? How did I do?
Mommy, all of this to go to the mall.
How did I do, guys?
Amazing.
You know, as a rookie in makeup, what do you guys think? Let me come closer to the picture. How do you think it blends to my skin? I think I did well. So guys, comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. And comment down below what you think about my makeup. Do you think I did okay out of 10? You know, what would you give me? And what other advice or makeup advice would you give? I'm open to advice because this girl right here. But I think I did pretty okay. I think I did good. Actually, I'm so proud of myself.
I'm doing her makeup in the next video.
Okay. Yeah. You know? Alright, guys. Bye.